Think you need to spend a small fortune each week just to eat clean and healthy? Think again. If you're juggling food bills, a busy schedule, and the desire to feel good, look good, and have energy, but you feel like healthy eating is too expensive, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how you can eat nutritious, satisfying meals without breaking the bank. We'll cover smart grocery strategies for home cooking, plus how to eat out or order takeout in a healthy, budget-friendly way. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with action-ready tips and 6 to 8 food ideas you can start using this week, and helpful tips like, don't go to the grocery store on an empty stomach. Section A. Why eating healthy on a budget matters. Let's start by acknowledging the challenge. Food costs are rising. The mix of nutrition information out there is confusing. Many people on tighter budgets default to cheaper, highly processed food because it seems easier. But those choices often lead to lower energy, more cravings, heavier grocery bills in the long run, and sometimes avoidable health issues and weight gain. But here's the good news. Eating healthy doesn't automatically mean expensive boutique ingredients. According to the Mayo Clinic Health System, you can buy whole grains, frozen vegetables, beans, and still meet healthy eating goals even on a budget. The federal tool My Plate reminds us, you can make smart food choices within budget. So if we plan smart, we can prioritize nutrition and cost. That means better health, more energy for work, workouts, and families without feeling like you're sacrificing. It also means a shift of mindset. Healthier eating is not just for those with big food budgets, it's for you too. And today we'll walk you through exactly how. Section B. Smart grocery and meal prep strategies at home. Now let's bring this home, literally. The kitchen is your most powerful tool for healthy, budget-friendly eating. Here are some smart strategies. Section B1. Planning and shopping list. Before you head to the store, plan the meals for the week. Make sure you make a grocery list. The My Plate tip sheet says, plan your meals for the week based on your food budget and make a grocery list that includes staples and perishables. Compare unit pricing, price per ounce or pound to get better deals, and don't shop on an empty stomach. Impulse buys cost you. Section B2. Choosing budget-friendly staples. Include the following. 1. Whole grains, oatmeal, brown rice, and whole grain pasta. The Mayo Clinic suggests them for cost-effective nutrition. 2. Beans and legumes. They are inexpensive, protein-rich, and very filling. As outlined in Harvard's nutrition source, beans and legumes are an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 3. Frozen and canned fruits and vegetables. They are cheaper, longer shelf life, and are still nutritious. The CDC's 6 tips list encourages frozen and canned food. A little-known fact is that many frozen foods, canned food and seafood, are immediately frozen after harvest to retain their complete nutritional value. 4. Buy generic and store brands. They normally cost less, due to the advertising costs associated with name brands. Section B2. Batch cooking and stretching meals. 1. Cook the meal in larger quantities and save the leftovers for supplementing next-day meals, or freeze the leftovers for quick future meals. For example, roast a big chicken, use parts for dinner, and save the leftovers to put in a soup or salad the next day. 2. Use leftovers creatively so nothing goes to waste. Food waste is a hidden budget killer. Tip number 1. Keep a container in the freezer for veggie scraps or small leftovers until you've got enough for a stock or casserole. Tip number 2. Stir-frying is perfect for those bits in the fridge, like leftover rice or cooked veggies. Heat a little oil, toss in veggies, meat, and rice. Add a sauce, for example, soy, teriyaki, and peanuts, and keep a jar of your go-to stir-fry sauce handy to simplify. Tip number 3. Leftover breakfast. Creations using eggs, leftover veggies, and meat can create a frittata or omelet. Keep eggs and cooked veggies handy so you can jump into breakfast mode quickly. Tip number 4. When you have significant leftovers, portion them into freezer-safe containers. Label the contents with the date. Set a date in your planner for reheating to use in 2 to 3 weeks. Section B4. Shop at the farmer's market when available. When produce is in its peak season, it's often more abundant and therefore cheaper due to lower transportation and storage costs. Organic produce can sometimes be more affordable at farmers markets than at grocery stores. Certain items like eggs, local honey, and some vegetables are frequently priced lower than their grocery store counterparts. By buying fresher, higher quality food that lasts longer, you can experience less waste, which can lead to overall savings. Do a quick walkthrough to compare prices before you start buying to see where you can get the best value. Section B5 Smart Substitutions. Tip number 1. Use canned tuna in place of more expensive fresh fish. And use frozen veggies in place of fresh when out of season, and skip expensive superfood gimmicks. Smart substitutions for saving on meals involve swapping high-cost or high-fat ingredients for cheaper, healthier alternatives like using applesauce for oil and baking, replacing mayo with hummus, choosing brown rice over white rice, and opting for beans or lentils instead of meat. Other swaps include using plain Greek yogurt for sour cream, eating lean meats or plant-based proteins like tofu, and buying ingredients like grains, beans, and nuts in bulk. Ingredient swaps. For fats, use unsweetened applesauce instead of oil for moisture in baking, and swap butter for unsaturated oils like olive or canola oil when cooking. For condiments, use hummus or avocado instead of mayonnaise on sandwiches for more protein and fiber. For carbs, choose brown rice, whole wheat pasta, or whole grain bread over white versions to boost fiber. For dairy, use low-fat cheese, plain Greek yogurt instead of sour cream, and evaporated skim milk for a lower-fat substitute for heavy cream. For protein, incorporate plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, or mushrooms into meals. They are cheaper than meat and can be used in soups, salads, and stir-fries. For vegetables, swap creamy sauces and high-calorie sides like fries or mashed potatoes for healthier options, like baked potatoes, steamed vegetables, or salads. Shopping and meal planning. Buy in bulk to reduce costs. Purchase staples like rice, beans, lentils, and oats in bulk to save money. Choose store brands. Generic or store brand products are often just as good as name brands but are less expensive. Focus on whole foods. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet, as they are often cheaper and more nutritious. Prepare meals at home. Making your own granola or other snacks can be cheaper than buying pre-packaged versions. Look for deals. Use store loyalty programs and apps like flashfood.com to find discounts on food that is nearing its expiration date. Section B6. Home meal ideas. Here are some specific budget-friendly home-cooked meal ideas you can drop into your rotation. Each gives ingredients, rough cost, prep time, and why it works. Number 1. Bean and rice veggie skillet. Ingredients: 1 bag of brown rice, approximately $1.50, 2 cans of black beans, approximately $1.60, 1 bag of frozen mixed vegetables, approximately $2, and salsa and spices, approximately $1. Approximate cost: under $6 for 4 servings or $1.50 per serving. Time: approximately 20 minutes. Rice plus sauté. Why it works. Whole grain and plant protein are filling, while being inexpensive and easy to scale. Number 2. Oatmeal plus fruit breakfast bowl. Ingredients: rolled oats, approximately $2 for a large container. 1 banana or frozen berries, approximately $1. Cinnamon and honey, approximately 50 cents. Cost: under $3 for 2 large servings. Time: 5 to 10 minutes. Why? Whole grain breakfast is cheap, healthful, and quick. Number 3. Chicken and veggie stir-fry with brown rice. Ingredients: 1 pound chicken thighs, approximately $4. 1 bag frozen broccoli and carrot mix, approximately $2. 1 cup brown rice, approximately 75 cents. Soy sauce and garlic, approximately 50 cents. Cost: roughly $7 to $8 for 4 servings, approximately $2 each. Time: 25 minutes. Why? Balanced nutrition. Mixing meat with vegetables extends your budget. Number 4. Lentil soup with vegetables. Ingredients: 1 pound of lentils, $1.50. 1 can diced tomatoes, approximately $1. 4 cups mixed frozen veggies, approximately $2. Broth and spices, approximately $1. Cost: approximately $5.50 for about 5 servings, approximately $1.10 per serving. Time: 30 minutes, with simmering. Why? Plant-based, extremely budget low, and you can freeze leftovers for later. Number 5. Sweet potato and black bean burrito bowl. Ingredients: 2 large sweet potatoes, approximately $2. 1 can black beans, approximately 80 cents. 1 cup brown rice, approximately 75 cents. Salsa and avocado extras, approximately $1. Cost, approximately $4.50 for 3 to 4 servings, or $1.20 each. Time, 20 minutes. Why? Uses inexpensive vegetables, beans, and grains, both favorable and filling. Section C. Healthy restaurant, takeout, and order-out options. Okay, you've got the home strategy down, but what about when you can't cook, you're on the go, or you're treating yourself? You don't need to abandon healthy habits or blow your budget. Here's how to order smartly. Section C1. What to look for on the menu and learn how to modify meals to your taste. Number 1. Read the menu. Look for keywords like grilled, steamed, vegetable-rich, or whole grain. Number 2. Portion control. Share a dish or ask for half to go. Number 3. Smart swaps. Replace fries with a side salad or steamed veggies. Ask for sauce and dressing on the side, and choose brown rice or whole grain options if available. Number 4. Avoid heavy add-ons. Skip extra cheese, creamy sauces, and excessive bread. The American Heart Association notes, buy more fruits and vegetables and less meat. You can replace meat with beans. Number 5. Price-wise, many restaurants allow mixes of smaller portions or lunch specials. Section C2. Specific healthy and budget-friendly order-out meals. Here are some concrete examples of order-out meals you can get, or request, that keep you on track both health-wise and budget-wise. Number 1. Grilled chicken salad with vinaigrette on the side. Ask for grilled rather than fried chicken. Load up on greens, veggies, skip or minimal cheese, and croutons. Get dressing on the side so you control the amount. Cost. Many restaurants have lunch versions for approximately $8 to $12. Share or pair with water to keep costs down. Number 2. Veggie stir-fry with brown rice. Choose a vegetable-rich stir-fry. Ask for sauce on the side to limit both salt and sugar. Swap white rice for brown, if available, or ask for half rice and half veggies. Cost. Many takeout spots have $7 to $10 lunch bowls. You can split or save half for another meal. Number 3. Bean and rice bowl with extra veggies. Many fast and casual places offer bowls, beans, rice, veggies, and salsa. When ordering your salad, skip heavy cheese and sour cream and ask for extra veggies instead. Cost. For $7 to $9 you can get a solid meal. Saving half for later gives 2 meals. Number 4. Whole wheat wrap with lean protein. With veggies, choose a whole grain wrap if available with lean protein such as turkey, chicken breast, or beans. Add plenty of veggies. Skip heavy mayo and cream sauces. Cost. Whole wheat wraps often cost $6 to $8. Order a salad instead of fries to keep costs and calories moderate. Number 5. Soup and a side salad combo. Choose a vegetable or bean-based soup, either lentil or minestrone, paired with a side salad with dressing on the side. Often priced in the $7 to $10 range. A pro tip, use your phone to check menus ahead and pick the healthier, cheaper option before you go in. Section D. Key mindset and habit shifts. We've covered what and how. Now let's talk about the mindset and habit shifts that let you sustain healthy eating on a budget long term. Number 1. Reduce food waste. Only buy what you'll use. Freeze leftovers and turn scraps into soups. Reddit users on budget food remind us, eat soup and make stock out of veggie scraps. Food you throw away is money down the drain. Harvard's nutrition source emphasizes, don't buy more perishables than you can use or freeze. Number 2. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. While processed convenience foods seem cheap, over time they cost more in health and food volume and often contain lower nutrition. Helpguide.org says, choose whole foods. A good example is to buy a head of lettuce instead of bagged salad. Number 3. Embrace meatless meals sometimes. Plant-based proteins are often underutilized but cost much less. Harvard's nutrition source states, consider meatless meals. Plant proteins are more affordable than meat or fish. Even one meatless night per week can free up budget for higher quality produce. Number 4. Start small and build momentum. You don't need to overhaul everything overnight. Choose one change this week, for example. Buy one frozen veggie instead of fresh. Cook one extra batch of rice, and build from there. Make sure to celebrate your progress. The more you succeed, the more your budget breathes, and you feel empowered. Section E. A quick recap. Let's recap what you've learned today. You can eat healthy even on a tight budget. It's all about strategy. At home, plan your week. Buy staples including grains, beans, and frozen veggies. When eating out, look for grilled and lean. Choose veggie-rich bowls and share portions. Mindset matters. Reduce waste. Choose whole foods. Do meatless nights, and make incremental changes. Here's your challenge for this week. Pick one change from this video. Maybe it's cooking one extra batch and freezing leftovers. Maybe it's choosing a veggie bowl instead of a burger when you order out. Write it in the comments below and let me know what you're committing to. If you found this video from Health Equals Wellness useful, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos about budget-friendly health, nutrition, and feel-good lifestyle tips. Also, share this video with someone you know who's trying to eat healthy, but is worried about cost. Let's help more people unlock smart, affordable nutrition. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, remember, healthy eating isn't about perfection or high expense. It's about making better choices consistently. You've got this. Let's make this week one step smarter, one plate healthier, and one budget stronger.